Do you know what a hybrid is? Well, stay tuned. We're having a show and tell session, and we're going to make some hybrid cookies. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Hi, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. I make sweet and savory dishes of all kinds. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll come back. And to my regular subscribers, I'm glad you came back, and you know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. So, what is a hybrid? Well, in layman's terms, a hybrid is when you take one thing and you combine it with another thing and you make a new thing. For example, say you take a teacup rose and you combine it with another type rose. Then you get a new variety of a rose, right? And you're saying, Diva, what do roses have to do with baking? Nothing. I just wanted to explain to you what a hybrid was. It's when you cross one thing with another to get something new. So what are we doing today? Well, this is a great big hack. It's for Halloween and the fall, and it's gonna be quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine two different kind of cookies in one. We're gonna bake them and we're gonna have a new cookie. We're gonna have a hybrid. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to need a cookie sheet that you're going to line with parchment paper. So I'll put this over here for now. Now, we're combining chocolate chip cookie dough with sugar cookie dough. Now, I always make my own chocolate chip cookies, and everybody loves them, and they are gone in 2 seconds. But today's a bit of a hack. Today, I'm cheating, and I'm using the Nestle's Toll House cookie dough. You can get this in the food stores. It's in the refrigeration department. So let me put that aside. And now, of course, even though it's still a little early, but I like to get these recipes out to you. So if you want to do anything, you'll be prepared for the fall and for Halloween. So I picked up the Pillsbury Ready to Bake Ghost Sugar Cookies. And I also picked up the Pillsbury Ready to Bake Pumpkin Cookies. So we have sugar cookies and we have cookie dough, and we're combining them and we're making a hybrid. So let me bring my cookie sheet over here and show you what we're going to do. And if you want to make your own cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough, feel free. I mean, like I say, I usually do make mine, but I'm cheating today, and I'm using the pre-made one. All right, so you're going to take about 2 tablespoons of your chocolate chip cookie dough, and you're going to put them on a cookie sheet. So I'm going to do that for you, for you now. Now, you can roll it into a ball, but what I like to do is I like to take my spoon and just flatten it a little bit. And I'll show you why in a few minutes. Not a lot, just a little bit. And we're going to keep doing that. Okay. These are so delicious. I can't really take credit for them. I saw them somewhere. I can't remember where. Something makes me think it was on maybe Taste of Home or something like that. I think I have a couple of like the Taste of Home cookbooks, but I may have seen it online, I'm not sure. But when I did see it, I said, oh, I have to share this with my subscribers. I think they're gonna like this. So you're leaving a space in between them because, you know, they are gonna spread. You don't want them to spread into one another. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're going to take our sugar cookies that are already made. These are the little ghosts. And then I have the pumpkins. So you're going to take one out, just like this, and you're going to place it right there on top of the cookie dough. And we're going to do that with our pumpkins, and we're going to do it with our ghosts. Now, I like to flatten it just a little because once these warm up in the oven, If you just put them in there as like a ball, the sugar cookies are liable to slide off the balls of the cookie dough. So let me hold it up so you can see what I did. Very simple, right? We're just combining two cookies, a hybrid. We're combining the chocolate chip cookie dough with the sugar cookie. And we're going to put them in the oven, the 350 degree oven, for the directions on the back of the box. Now if you look on both of the chocolate chip cookie box and you look at the back of the sugar cookie box, they both say to bake them at 350 degrees for, I think it's something like 12 to 14 minutes. Now, I love to underbake my cookies. I just feel they come out better that way. I'm not a big fan of crispy cookies. I like nice chewy cookies. And these, I like these a little chewy on the inside. So I'm just flattening it a little bit. And we're just gonna put our ghost on top of it. Now, I'm gonna make a few of these, a few more of these with the pumpkins on them off camera. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm gonna put them in for about 10, 11 minutes, and then I'll check them. And I'll be back when they're done to show you what they look like. And of course, we're doing a taste testing. And I should tell you now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and hit the red subscribe. The little bell next to it, it'll turn, I think it'll say all. And that's it. You're a subscriber, and all you do is get one notification when I have a video up, and you won't miss it. So don't go away. I'm gonna finish these babies and put them in the oven. Okay, I just took the Ghost chocolate chip hybrids out of the oven. They're still very hot. I'll zoom in a little bit, and this is what they look like. Now I'm going to make the pumpkin ones to show you those, and then I'll be back and we'll do a taste testing. Okay, here's the pumpkin ones that I just took out of the oven like a second ago. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on them. Yeah, that's our hybrid cookies. Chocolate chips and sugar cookies. And these have the pumpkin on them. So let's let them cool, and I'll be back in a minute and we'll do a taste testing. Okay, I'm back. I just took the pumpkins out of the oven now. They're still a little warm. The ghost I took out a little while ago. So I'm going to take the pumpkins off the cookie sheet here. They're still a little warm, but let me try to hold one up so you can see it, and I'll definitely put a still in. They came out really cute. So these are the hybrid cookies. It's a combination of a chocolate chip cookie and your sugar cookie. Couldn't be any easier. And I want to give you a little hint. When you put the chocolate chip cookie dough on the sheet, like I said, with your clean finger or your spoon, just pat it down a little bit. You don't want a ball. Because if you have a ball and then you put the little sugar cookie on top and it goes in the oven and gets warm, the sugar cookie is going to slide right off the ball of the chocolate chip cookie dough. And then what I did is I took my finger and gently just patted down a little bit of the sugar cookie, just to make sure they don't slide off the cookie dough. And they came out really good. I'm going to do a taste testing, and I'm sure they taste really good because you have two of your favorite cookies, chocolate chips and a nice sugar cookie, all in one. And I just thought they were something fun to do, and I would share them with you. Oh, there's a lonely chocolate chip cookie over there all by itself. I'm sure it'll get eaten by someone. Right, cameraman? Right. All right, so here's the ghosts, and here's the sugar cookie. So I think I'm going to take a bite of one of the ghosts because they're cool. These are still a little bit warm. Let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which ghost am I going to eat? Well, I think I'll eat this one. So, here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Chewy. Very good. Mmm. I like chewy cookies anyway. I'm not big on crispy cookies. These are nice and chewy. Hey, cameraman, he's in the other room. Do you like chewy cookies or do you like crispy cookies?
Chewy!
Oh, I guess you heard that. He likes chewy cookies. He likes them when they first come out of the oven. So anyway, give these a try. They're fun. And you know, you can make them for Christmas. You know, Christmas, Pillsbury always sells the sugar cookies that are like, they have an elf on them and they have a tree. So these would be cute to put the elf on there, and maybe you could even put a few little sprinkles around on the chocolate chip for Christmas. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I'll put some stills in the video for you. And like I said, if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe and the little bell, because it really does help my channel to grow. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because that's the way that YouTube promotes my video. So anyway, I hope you'll come back. Thank you for stopping by. Love you all. Appreciate each and every one of you. Take care now. Toodles! Now I'm finishing my cookie. So good.